Assalamu alaikum students of class 10th. Hope all of you are fine. This is your Pakistani studies class and my name is Ms. Komal Farooq. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, History of Pakistan 2. As you read History of Pakistan 1 in class 9th. In this chapter we will discuss about the history from 1971 to 1977, and in this chapter we will discuss about Zulfikar Ali Bhutto era, Ziaul Haq era, Benazir Bhutto era, Nawaz Sharif era, and Musharraf era. So move towards the topic. First one topic is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. When we talk about the Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, he was the person who took over the control of Pakistan after the fall of Dhaka or the separation of East Pakistan, and when we only had West Pakistan, which consists of the four provinces Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, KPK, and federal capital Islamabad, and country was facing survival crisis. He was the president of Pakistan and he was the first civilian chief martial law administrator of the country. He was the first person who created a new spirit in the nation, enable them to face the challenging condition. He made his first speech which gave new determination, and he said in his speech, the country is facing a serious crisis and I have taken over at a time when the history of Pakistan has reached its turning point. I have to build a new and progressive Pakistan, which the Pakistan Quaid-e-Azam dreamed. It's my belief that it will be definitely be done. Now, the main aspects of the economical reforms during 1971 to 1977 by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. There are four major steps taken by the Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Number one is the nationalization of the industry. Number second is the nationalization of the banks and the insurance company. Number third is the labor reforms, and number fourth is agriculture reforms. Nationalization of the industry. Firstly, I define the nationalization. Nationalization means changing something from the private ownership to the state ownership or control. जुल्फ़िकार अली भुट्टो ने जो सबसे अच्छा काम किया था मुल्क का कंट्रोल संभालने के बाद 1971 में, उस टाइम मुल्क के अंदर जो था वो 22 फैमिलीज़ का कंट्रोल था, जिन्होंने 60% मुल्क के जो इंडस्ट्रियल एसेट थे उन पे उनका कंट्रोल था और 80% इंश्योरेंस बिजनेस पे उनका कंट्रोल मौजूद था. जुल्फ़िकार अली भुट्टो ने आहिस्ता आहिस्ता उनके इस कंट्रोल को ख़त्म करने की कोशिश की एंड ही इशू एन ऑर्डिनेंस ऑन 2 जनवरी 1972 अंडर विच 10 हैवी इंडस्ट्रीज वर नेशनलाइज्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट, एंड द नेम ऑफ दीज इंडस्ट्रीज आर ऑटोमोबाइल, केमिकल इंडस्ट्री, कंज्यूमर गुड इंडस्ट्रीज, स्टील इंडस्ट्री, हैवी इक्विपमेंट इंडस्ट्री, पेट्रोकेमिकल इंडस्ट्री, etc. And he also issued an ordinance in 16 January 1972, under which ordinance 11 industrial units were nationalized. Now move towards the second heading, nationalization of the bank and the insurance company. In page number 5, you can see that nationalization of the bank and insurance company. The capitalist family encouraging the capitalist system in Pakistan, and government was not gaining any profit from these insurance companies, so that for the economical stability of the country, all insurance companies were nationalized and merged under the control of the state-led corporation on the 19 March 1972. Now the labor reforms which was passed on the 10th February 1972 In labor reform, which was introduced by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto on 10 February 1972, the representative of the laborer were included in the administrative committee. Number second is the annual bonus equal to the 1 month salary was introduced, and working 48 working hours instead of the 54 working hours. Every laborer would have the right to old age pension, insurance and gratuity, medical facilities under the social security scheme, and every laborer would be provided with the residential and the educational facility. All industrial relation commission was set up for the settlement of the dispute among the laborer through the trade union. The fourth reform which was introduced by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto is agriculture reforms, in which the limit of the land was decided. It was fixed up to the 150 acre of irrigated by national rains.